Okay, so we're gonna be on this Windows XP virtual machine, and as you know from the original live stream I did there, I would say like I'll eventually do a video on the live stream. Like I'll do either a video or live stream based on the virtual machines. Well, I guess here we are doing the virtual. Okay, make sure. I know it's not gonna play from the recording. Okay, the sound does work. I mean, at least from the video itself, but. So I'm gonna show you at first. I'm gonna show you first. I'm just gonna show you something first, right? So this is YouTube XL. Well, so you guys who don't know what YouTube XL is, YouTube XL was a feature, I guess, from way back in 2009 to I don't even know, but it would look like this. If you type YouTube.com and then /XL back then when it worked, it would bring you to something that looked like this, presumably. So I'm just gonna go to my own channel like usual to do the same tests. I'm still doing typos, I guess. And I know it does autoplay regardless, but so of course we have the video thing working and everything. Now during this time of this recording, I couldn't use the original domain I was using because that website right now has issues playing videos. I mean the website is still accessible as of from this time of the recording, but it was just with this so like a video not available or things like that. And for now, when it originally would just back then it would work as intended during the live stream. You saw it for a quick time. And we can go to my channel at least. So, of course, here's what it looked like. Oh, dude. Tornado. Okay, so we're gonna actually play the like 5 seconds of this tornado video. By the way, this video is gonna be 10 minutes, just to represent the old days. I have this weird I have this obsession, I'd say, of the old times. I know it sounds like a nostalgic thing, or just like a thing that will be at this point, but anyways, we're gonna play this 5 seconds of this video, just to make sure it does work. All right, start it. Oh, there was a little mess up. That was a little mess up there, but as you see there, the video does work properly. As we right click, it will show us the Adobe Flash Player right here. Like we also changed the quality for some reason, and now it looks more pixelated. Okay, let me show you the original thing I was gonna use during this time. Let's go to Google Chrome here, then click right here. Here's the original domain I was going to use on the original version of the website. I mean, this thing was meant to replicate YouTube in its late 2009 times to early 2010. I mean, if it was actually early 2010, the video player wouldn't be this. I don't even know if it actually was this in late 2009 either. I don't know that. But as you see here, it's not working when it's originally supposed to. Like if we go to the let's say peaceful running cows, it's not go outside and fun. Then we go here. This video does not have 60. It tries to provide a video percent that has I guess 66,000 views, and it was made in 34 seconds. But it says new video not available. And I don't really know what YouTube viewers is, but I guess it's showing that instead. I mean, more from the my channel at least. Like, let's go to another video, the tornado on here. It would do the same thing. So I guess that is that. Also, yes, I indeed had to get MacBook Flash A on this virtual machine. I need to do some. Yes, I sometimes will on my off time will do something on here. Like I put on the file on my all desktop items thing. Like for example, this is a test, not whatever I put there originally. Test movie. And of course I made it where I can type on it. Like we can replace it and all that. but it says this is a test, which means it is working. Like we can zoom in. Okay, we can put it worked, and there you go. Do not save it. So I don't really know how I can finish the rest of this. Like I can say like this video was difficult to find out. I mean, at least record because well the video quality presumably would turn out to be super low, like 240 or 144p. Like I know no one wants to see that really anymore. I mean, the videos when I did those were like kind of like I would say on purpose. But yeah. Here's my monitors thing. It's 800, 600. This is my I guess secondary monitor I would say. I'm not sure you know it's gonna have the old theme. Though at least that's safe for the best. I mean I also had to get things like the VSA Media Player. You know, it feels useless because most of the time it would just show the video like in a gray view. Like I'm not gonna show the example here, but of course we videoed about it would show it's a version from 2008. I know that's pretty old. I mean, it's just a virtual machine for Windows XP. I mean, most present versions of programs won't work. I mean, it's because it's a very old system. I mean, next video is going to be a Windows 2000 on that virtual machine. And that one's probably just going to be more hard. I mean, I did manage to get some programs on there, but it's super hard because the way how the color is processed on Windows 2000 virtual machines is just very trash. And of course, in Mozilla Firefox here, we have 2009. I did kind of try to make this video seem realistic, you know. I didn't. That was not even the goal in this video. It was just go in Windows XP virtual machine and just go around, screw around. I would say. Also, yes, I do use the Legendary Bliss wallpaper. Like out of all these, I just think this is the one that should be used. At least to me. Yeah, this video was recorded on this time. Because I decided to, because I'm usually like the person who does things at night. But I don't know how I can finish up 2 more minutes. It would just go back on maybe. Let's get into the awkward point again. Like we can go to the tour thing. Let's just play the non-animated one. This doesn't automatically play noises at. But dude, this is what the tour looked like from the non-Flash version. Because I would mostly just use the original Flash thing it comes up with. Like, you can just see how they explain the entire thing of Windows. Like the start scene. They just use simple images. I already know how an entire system like this would work anyways. Like if you click here, if you want to turn off your thing, I'm not gonna do it yet because that would stop the thing, or just share my actual computer, or at least for what it is on this monitor. But you can restart it, which of course will restart it. You can turn off, which would shut down the virtual machine in this case. And there's less than a minute left. I like how the control panel was technically the old way of accessing things, like date, time, language, and regional option, and all that. And some other cool thing, presume, is the way how you can just get you can choose your own profile. There's this little account picture right here. I just decided to use these the palm trees because this just looks nice. I'm gonna close this. Oh yeah, it's pretty easy to set up this anyways, and same with some of the programs you saw. But it's almost time to this video's almost over. So I've had and get to this point. Okay. Yes. Goodbye.